Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 19, perspective of viewing solid objects. So solid object you have seen in your kitchen, house, etc. places like a matchbox. That is also a solid object. So that exercise 19.1, only one exercise here, multiple choice question MCQ. As any object goes further is appear to be smaller, biggest, that will be smaller. Appear, it means if the object will be go from further, so that will be smaller. Maximum number of type of rectangle in the net of a cuboid is 3 types only will be there. Which letter is the nearest? Which letter is the nearest? That is a letter. So you are looking, A is a greater letter is looking. Which of the following is the net of that diagram? So that is a A1, because here is 3D shape. Now generate a net of cubical water tank open from the top. Yani one side, it means one side is not there. So that will be, this is the bottom part, that is a side part, this is also back part, this is the front part, this is the side part, this is the side part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces are here looking, 5 faces, because from the top is opened. Generate the net of following object. 2 are cone there, so cone will become like this face. One cone is this one, and cylinder will be like this come, because this is the opened, and then another cone will be like this. This is the net of the object. That matching. Fourth question. Match each object provided in column A to its corresponding net providing in column B. So that first is a cuboid. Cuboid has 6 faces. So that is a first one is C part. Second, third. And then that is a pencil. Like a pencil looking. It's a rod. That is cylindrical. So cylinder has one, that is a rectangle, or that will be square, or 2 circle also. So that is a B part. And then third, cone. If that is opened, so that will be like a sector. So that is a A part. Fifth question. Match the net with appropriate object provided below. That means pencil sharp, first part is you are looking the sharp pencil. So that is a cone and cylinder also. So cone and cylinder you are looking in C part. Second one, that only cylinder are looking here, because 2 faces and 1 rectangle is here. So that is a D part. Third, see that third part, 1 rectangle and 1 circle you are looking. So that means cylinder is open from one side. So that is a A part. And 2 cone are looking. So that is a double, so both sides served pencil. So that is a B part. Fill in the blanks. Railway track are parallel, but they appear to emerge out of a point 8 perspective. Net is A to D representation of 3D solid in which surface are attached to one another in a sequence like this. You can see in many diagrams. That is a net of, that is a cube, because you are looking all the boxes are same and 6 boxes are there, so that is a cube because cube has 6 faces. And then next, which of the given two drawing of same view are in a respective, that is a first part, because all the building are same but by the distance they are looking smaller than smaller. A part is right. A railway track given alongside is drawn in perspective. Which of the 5 point A, B, C, E is nearest to vanishing point? That is a vanishing point, that is you are looking farthest. And then 9th question, what is the total number, all the, that is a math puzzle type of thing is there. What is the total of all the side of the dice are touching each other plus and 1 on top and bottom? The opposite side of a dice is 7. So that you know that you have seen the Ludo die, that opposite surface when you will be add, that will become 7. That will become 7. That means if on a one face there is a written 2, so that opposite face there will be right 5 obviously. This is the, so this is the solid of, that is the object. Okay.